In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. We'll start from your Jira project view, specifically the list view of your board or project, where you can already see your issues displayed. This is a good place to begin because it gives you context for the kind of issues you may want to organize and narrow down. Filters in Jira are useful when you want to quickly find specific tasks, track certain types of work, or save a search you'll use again later. Once you're in the project, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. On that side menu, you'll want to find the Filters option. The left navigation is where Jira places many of its main shortcuts, so if you're not seeing it immediately, take a moment to scan the menu carefully. When you find Filters, go ahead and click on it. This will open the filter-related area in Jira, where you can manage saved filters and access more advanced search options. This section is especially helpful if you regularly work with large numbers of issues and need a faster way to return to common searches. After that, click on View All Filters. This takes you to the full Filters page where you can see existing filters and create a new one. If you've used filters before, this page may already contain saved searches. If not, that's completely fine. You're in the right place to create your first one. Next, move to the top right area of the page and click Create Filter. This opens the Issue Search screen, which is where you define exactly what your filter should include. Think of this as building the rules for the results you want Jira to show. At this point, choose whether you want to use Basic Search or JQL. Basic Search is more beginner-friendly and works well if you prefer selecting options from menus and fields. JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language, gives you more control and is ideal if you already know the exact conditions you want to use. Either option works, so choose the one that best fits your comfort level and your search needs. Once your filter setup is complete and you're happy with the results, click Save Filter. This stores your search so you can come back to it anytime without having to rebuild it from scratch. Saving filters can make your Jira workflow much more efficient, especially if you review the same types of issues on a regular basis. And that's it. You've successfully created a filter in Jira.